Hi everyone, it's Carol. I'm going to do a bottom bottle pour on a record and with some different colors, lighter colors, some gold and greens. If you can see this, I'll pour right in there. Okay, I'll talk about the colors as I do them. So obviously I've got my white, which is, right now I'm using Deco white mixed with a little bit of pouring medium and mostly Floetrol. No silicone. So I'm going to pour some white in the bottom. And then I've got my gold Artist Loft. The one I did earlier, the dark one with the copper and the greens. I think my green was a little too thick. So it came out, when it dried, it was a little lumpy. So I've mixed my paints a little thinner this time, hopefully. So that was my gold. And this is a mixture of some white I added to some green that I had. Some, I think it's Deco Art. Made my own color. And this one here is Deco Art Bluegrass Green. Americana, the Americana brand. Or it's one of their lines, Americana. It's pretty good paint. So pour some of that in. I didn't put any silicone in anything. I don't really want cells. And then I've got some Deco Art also. Bahama blue. No, that's not Bahama blue. Well, it's kind of, I think it's a mixture of Bahama blue and another turquoise that I had that I've mixed together. I ran out of the other turquoise. It's almost a Bahama blue, a little darker. I'll pour some more gold in. I'll pour some more white in the middle. I was going to put some red in here, but I don't think so. So I'll just finish this off. Done. The dark. I'm trying to think of some Christmassy ideas. This might look a little Christmassy. Some more white. The rest of this green. And I think I pretty much got enough paint now, I think. Okay, so move my stuff out of the way. My lid on my gold. I wonder if I need a little more gold. No, I don't want to overwhelm it. Well, maybe a little on top. All right, I'm going to start pouring. I'm going to stand over here. Here we go. Last year I had turquoise, or a couple of years now, turquoise on my tree. I left the hole open in the middle. Seems to be running to one side. I'm going to take this off. Let that run in. Oh, I wish that hadn't done that. Looks cool. There. I wanted that funny mark to go away there. of neat. Lots of cells popping through anyway. There, it's very cool. We'll see what happens. I hope it dries smooth. I think my consistency was good this time. I was going to draw some lines, but I don't know if I should or not. Okay, well, I think I've done it. I'm going to hold it up a little closer for you. You can see it's very pretty. I love it. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share, like, hit the bell, comment below. You scroll way down underneath the videos. And there's a place there to comment. All right, thank you very much for watching and come back soon. Bye-bye. Hi. Just came to have a look at my dried painting. Bottom bottle pour spiral. Dried pretty good. It's got a couple of little cracks right there, but nothing too serious. Just gives it a little dimension. The rest is all pretty smooth. The paint must have puddled here a little more. But I'm happy with it. I like it. A few cells came out there. The colors are pretty. It's all good. All right, thanks for watching and come back soon. Bye-bye.